Nurses, here's why you need to be careful with nurse attorneys. Now, for those that don't know what a nurse attorney is, a nurse attorney is one of two things. It is one, a person who is a lawyer, not a nurse, but they represent nurses before the nursing board. A nurse attorney can also be a person that is both a nurse and a lawyer representing nurses before the nursing board. Now, here's why I say you need to be careful with the nurse/lawyer person. Over the years, I have seen how these nurse attorneys conduct themselves and how they handle cases. And from what I've seen, these nurse/lawyer people are wearing the wrong hat when they're representing nurses. It seems like they keep their nurse hat on and they forget to put on their lawyer hat. Here's an example. If you are a nurse who made a mistake and you did something that could be against Nurse Practice Act, it looks like these nurse/lawyer people wear the hat of the nurse and try to tell you what you did was wrong and why you need to fall on the sword and take a discipline. Instead, they should be wearing their lawyer hat and finding the mitigating factors to help you resolve this case. So, although it is very helpful to speak to someone that has the understanding of a nurse and a lawyer, what you need is a lawyer to be a lawyer and to fight for their client. You're a nurse, you know whether or not you did something wrong. You need someone to speak on your behalf. Another reason why I think you need to be careful with these nurse attorneys because they are, like I said, a nurse/lawyer. So they are a nurse in good standing. Do you really think a nurse in good standing who is also a lawyer is going to fight the board they're also being regulated by? You need someone who has no problem fighting the board if that's what needs to happen. So if you are a nurse in this position where you are being investigated by your nursing board and you need to find someone to represent you, reach out to Bridge Referral Networks. We can help you find an attorney in your state. We have attorneys across the country that are ready to take cases to fight for nurses. If you need more information, check out our website or send us a message so we can send you more information.